This guide aims to demystify the question, where do permanently deleted photos go on iPhone? We'll unravel the intricacies of iPhone's deletion process and explore whether there's a way to resurrect those seemingly lost memories. Part 1. Where do deleted photos go on iPhone? Recently deleted album. Open the Photos app. Tap Albums at the bottom right. Locate and tap Recently deleted. Tap Select top right. Choose the photos and tap Recover at the bottom right. Confirm by tapping Recover again. Part 2. Where do permanently deleted photos go on iPhone? Once a photo is deleted from the recently deleted folder, it disappears from the app interface but lingers in your device's storage. Although you can't access it anymore, the photo persists on your phone. Part 3. How to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. If you've unintentionally deleted photos from the recently deleted folder and wish to recover them, consider employing the reliable data recovery tool known as Mobikin Doctor for iOS. How to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone using Mobikin Doctor for iOS. 1. Retrieve permanently deleted photos from iTunes Backup. Open Software, choose Recover from iTunes Backup. Select File, click Start Scan. Pick Camera Roll and Photos. Click Start Scan to begin. Step 3. Select the photos you want to recover from the results page and click Recover to Computer to save them to your computer. 2. Restore permanently deleted photos from iCloud. To selectively recover photos from iCloud by using Doctor for iOS, follow these steps. Step 1. The main window. Select Recover from iCloud and sign into your iCloud account to access backup files. Step 2. Choose the desired category, such as Photos, and click Next. Step 3. The program will scan and display the backup file contents. Select the missing photos and click Recover to Computer to save them to your computer.